Hi everyone, this is Connie from Creative Creations. Today I'm taking part in a collab. I'll get to that in a couple of minutes. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an existing subscriber, hey, I'm so glad you're back. Now, let's get to this. I will tell you that this collab is called an UnbeLEAFable DIY collab. So, this first project that I am doing, I've actually seen it done a little bit different by two different creators, Bargain Bluebird and Whiskey and Whit. Have both done this. Now I made it similar but not exact. So I'm taking this tag, as you can see, I'm ripping off all that paper. Some of it would not all come off, so I ended up just sanding it smooth. Now I'm not going to be using that side. I just wanted it to be not that patriotic, you know, with those stars on it. So I'm just sanding it off. Then I'm going to use my Ladybug vacuum cleaner, and I have the link in my link tree, and that is in the description box, and you can pick one of those up from Amazon, and it does amazing. It vacuums up everything. I don't like a lot of glitter, and this thing had a lot of glitter on it, so it picked it all just right up. Now, I am going to take my hazelnut from Waverly, and I'm going to put 2 coats on this tag. Now I am finishing up that last coat, and I am going to, I cut out some wording on my Cricut, and I'm going to be placing them on this tag. Excuse my yawning, I always yawn. Even when I'm not tired, I yawn, so it's just something I've gotten used to. Okay, so it is 2 words, and I have had my Cricut, maybe 7 months, 6 months, 7 months, and I absolutely love it, but I still do struggle on weeding, especially little tiny words. I'll eventually get it. I just struggle. So here I am, and as you can see, it says autumn leaves, and this is a UnbeLEAFable. It's played on words. It's a play on words. So I'm going to be using my contact paper as my transfer tape, and I'm just going to put that right on this side here, and then I'm going to embellish this. Okay, I got these fall leaves from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to embellish the side of this with the leaves, and then I'm going to put a ribbon tie on the top to hang it. And this just kind of, it changed it, because the other ones that I saw did not have the leaves. And then I'm using a play on words. Autumn leaves, autumn leaves. So, and autumn, yeah, I just really like the way I changed it up, and I hope you guys end up liking it as well. So I take those off, and then I'm just going to glue them on and then go from there. Okay, I hope you guys really like this. Now, let's talk about this collaboration. It's called UnbeLEAFable DIY Collab, and the host is Krista's Crafty Life and Crafty Hints. And then there is 7 more of us. So it's me, Can Sarah DIY It, The Second Time's a Charm, Rustic Lace DIY, Jackie Burns Creations, Craftastic DIYs, and Crafts Unleashed by Robin. Now this is a monthly collab that we have started doing, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Now let's get to the second one. Now this is a canvas board from the Dollar Tree, and I cut out these words with my Cricut, and I am just trying to weed them, and some of it is giving me little fits, but I finally figured out. I tore off that S and had to reattach it, of course, but I got it on there. And then I'm going to use my contact paper for my transfer tape, and I'm going to get this all on this board. Now at first, I was thinking, okay, leaves gotta be fall leaves, but you know what? I stepped away from that a little bit. You'll see in just a minute what I end up doing. It's got leaves all right, but it's totally different from what you might think it would be. So I'm gonna do something. One of the things, if you know me, you've watched my channel, you know I love to do, and that is hand paint. So here I'm taking off the gray is thigh, and then after I get that all on, I am going to put the gratefulness, or thankfulness, sorry. And I messed up my last letter, my Y, I had to fix it. So I'm going to put faithfulness on there. And of course, the S came right off just fine. So now it's like, okay, Connie, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's just sitting in the middle. There's nothing around it. Well, I grabbed some greens. I've got hunter green, and then I've got like a dark mint green. And I am just going to be painting these little vines with the leaves on them all over this, and you will get to see what I end up doing. So don't forget to go down to the description box. Down there is going to have the host, the co-host, and all of our channel links so that you can check out all of them. And please, if you're not subscribed to my button or my channel, please do subscribe. That helps my channel grow, as well as giving me the big thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. If you hit it twice, you can click on all, and that way you should be notified every time I upload a video. As well as leave me a comment. I love reading everyone's comments. So here I am, I know it's kind of slow. I sped up the speed just a tiny bit, but I don't like to speed it up too much because then you can't really see what I'm doing. So, and I just fill this whole thing in with with leaves. And then you'll get to see what I do next. So I'm just going to let you sit here and watch this. I am so relaxed when I paint. A lot of times I'm just leaning on one elbow and I'm just painting away. That's one of my most favorite things to sit and do, is to paint. So now that I am finishing up, I'm putting a highlight on all those leaves so that they give them dimension, so they don't look flat just sitting on the canvas. And that's where I'm using that lighter color, and I'm just putting the highlights where light would be hitting first, and that gives them a more 3D look. Now, if you look at the top, the two vines kind of come up together. Now that is where I'm going to do some more embellishments. Now I could have done a lot of things. I could have done a bow. I could have put flowers, hooked flowers on there. But I decided I wanted to paint flowers, but I didn't want to paint the traditional flowers. So this is kind of just a flower. I don't know what kind of flower it is. It's just a flower that I decided to do. It's just a little spiky flower, and I put several in there. I have got bright red, pumpkin orange, and like a sunset yellow. And so I am using those colors to make these flowers. I end up painting a cluster of them at the top. I just thought that it looked awesome. I love flowers. I've been painting a lot of them lately, and this time I just decided I would do like little spiky flowers instead of some of the other ones that I have been doing lately. So I'm just doing, I think I did 9 or 10. I can't remember. Actually, I think I did 9 on there. And I just really like this. Like I said before, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff. And I hope to see you on my next video. And I hope that you have thoroughly enjoyed this and have learned some great deal, things. So I hope you like the way this looks. This is the end of it, or the final reveal. Let's put it that way. And then this is the final reveal of the second one, or the first one that I did. I hope you guys really like this. I hope you guys have an amazing, blessed week. And don't forget to be the Bible that somebody reads today.